Dinosaurs go camping. Tall Tom and small Sally saw a poster. Sally wanted to go. Go camping at Happy Meadow. The weather is nice and warm. You can play all sorts of games.
Then we need camping equipment, said Tom. We also need bags.
Sally agreed. Sally took her favorite handbag.
No, said Tom. That handbag is pretty, but it's too small.
After hard work, they gathered all the equipment. The dinosaurs left with their bags full. The gate to the meadow was closed.
You need tickets to get in, said the guard. $5 per dinosaur.
The dinos didn't have money. They got some things from home to sell, but they aren't worth $10. They were originally $5 each, but then the customers won't buy it. When they got enough money, Sally noticed that there's a storm. The meadow will be closed.
Don't be sad, said Tom. We can learn Spanish on Dino iPad.
Sally felt better. They learned a lot. Then they played games. They even earned a badge. Congratulations! You earned a sweet cake badge. Sally forgot about the meadow. It kept raining, but the dinosaurs weren't sad because they have other games to play.